Hey everyone! If you've been paying attention to fashion lately, you know that sheer tops and blouses are having a major moment right now. But here's the problem: most of them are completely see through, which makes them feel a little risky for the office, or if you want to look polished or professional in any situation. You might love the look, but feel self conscious actually wearing it. So, what's the solution? Well, the key is balancing sheer fabric with solid covered areas. And that's where today's best kept secret comes in: the transparent sleeves and the solid bodice. This sophisticated styling trick has all the elegance and visual interest of the sheer trend, but it's appropriate for almost anywhere from professional meetings to dinner parties. So, I'm going to show you some gorgeous examples of the sheer sleeve look and where to find similar styles. But first, let me tell you why this look works so well, whether you're hopping on a Zoom call or getting dressed for the day. Unlike those completely sheer styles that leave you wondering if you're dressed appropriately or not, the sheer sleeve style makes you feel confident wherever you go. And one of the best things about the sheer sleeve look is the magic they perform on camera. Solid colors, especially darker ones, can make you look shapeless on screen. Everything blends together: your torso, your arms, your entire body becomes one flat, undefined blob. Well, transparent sleeves solve this problem brilliantly. They create a visual separation between your torso and your arms, creating definition and structure. This look solves two problems at once. You get to take advantage of all the visual interest the sheer trend provides while feeling completely appropriately dressed wherever you go. And you get the advantage of not looking washed out on camera and instead showing up polished and with clear shape and dimension. Before we jump into some of the beautiful styles of sheer sleeve dressing, take a moment to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the coming secrets on how to look great both on and off camera. So this first look that you see me wearing is from Petit Pois by Viviana G. And it's a solid mesh bodice with translucent matching mesh sleeves. And I just absolutely love it. It's such a great top for virtual meetings, especially because it has such a rich color that even the sleeves, which are translucent, don't look washed out on screen. I also love it because it's easy to layer. It's so thin that you can put almost any sweater or jacket over and it doesn't look too bulky. And it's great to pack because it takes up about this much room in your suitcase. There's never an excuse not to bring this along. And I love this so much that I bought it in another color too. This second look has a beautiful knit bodice and sheer translucent sleeves, and it's from designer Tahari. What I love about this is the controlled reveal. So you get a hint of skin through the sleeves without exposing too much. It's just that perfect balance of sheerness for the professional world. By the way, I don't usually recommend wearing black on camera. However, this is an excellent way to incorporate black into your virtual wardrobe because it defines your torso and separates it from your arms so you don't look like a shapeless blob. So this is exactly what I mean when I talk about balancing opacity with transparency. So you may have noticed that these sleeves are a little looser than the other style, and it's just a matter of personal preference. I don't like to get them too loose because you start to get a lot of these fold lines in it, which sort of takes away from the whole effect. So once I started realizing the magic and the visual impact of sheer sleeves, I started actively searching for them everywhere. And I ran across this really interesting sweater from a designer called Pete's Collection. And it's more of what you'd probably call a peekaboo sleeve, but it's the same effect. It's got a crocheted cover over a mesh bodice and then the crocheted open sleeves. And it just shows you there's some really interesting variations of this style. But it has that same effect of separating your arms from your torso, creating definition, and adding visual interest. One of the things I love about sheer sleeves and all these styles is that they allow you to express confidence and embrace your body in such an elegant and subtle way. And by that, I mean everybody. And that's why I love seeing trendy plus size brands like Eloquite embrace this sophisticated style as well. Wherever you go, you will own the stage. So, where do you find these sheer sleeve looks that are sophisticated and appropriate for work or play? Well, the looks that I've been sharing with you are from past seasons. However, I've put together a curated list of current styles that have that same sophistication level. So if you'll check the description, you will see that list there, or you can put in a comment, sheer tops, and I will get that list to you. So there you have it. 4 ways to take advantage of fashion's best kept secret, the transparent sleeve. This will give you the visual impact and the definition that sets you apart both in person and on camera. So, which style was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know if you find any sheer sleeve styles that you really love. And don't forget to like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips for looking great on and off camera. I'll see you on the next video.